Welcome. This quick video will show you how to check if an order has any special instructions. It is always good to check your delivery for instructions before you set off. You may be required to do something before you leave the depot. First, go into the jobs list function. Then scroll down to the third job in the list titled Delivery. This will bring up the job view screen. Here you can see special instructions that have been requested in your job order. They are indicated by a red notification dot. Special instructions are typically a request that's been put in by a customer regarding a delivery. However, it could be something that's specified by the site you're delivering from. Click on the blue drop-down arrow located on the right-hand side of the bar. This will show you the instructions. In this example, we've been asked to call the customer before we leave Brandon. As this was the first thing we checked, we now know to do this before we set off for delivery. And that's how you view special instructions on an order.